legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, for day 18, practice investing on your investing app for no less than 2 days. All right, so yes, you've done this before. Yes, you've practiced. That's great. Good for you. But if you think that you're ready automatically to just jump out there into the fire, I would say be careful there. So I'm going to say I recommend at least 2 more days of practice, of training and making mistakes and having victories. You need that practice. If you're going to go fight a heavyweight fight, I wouldn't say, hey, go practice for 3 days and go jump in the ring. I would say, hey, go practice, reflect, practice, right? Practice makes perfect in anything that you do. So for this day, this step, go practice some more for no less than 2 days.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be